How to create gate pass? To create gate pass, click front office. Click gate pass. There are 5 different categories of outpass: student outpass with photo, hostler outpass with photo, and staff outpass. Enter the required details. For example, select an outpass. Select the class ID. Select the out date. Enter the reason. Enter the place. Enter the signatories. Enter the return date. Return time. Select the student and click Save. The operation will be completed successfully. These are the general steps to create gate pass in software.